Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to English Fantasy. And today is our medal giving ceremony day and I'm welcoming to all of you in this day. Today, my students, they are going to get medals. Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay. I'm welcoming to our honorable CEO of English Fantasy, Asadul Islam Razun sir. Please big hands for him.
So thank you so much for 100% attendance. All of you are highly congratulations. I expect something better. Thank you so much, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Raisha from 52 batch. My ID number is 2156. Today I'm so happy because of I get medal. Thanks for English Fantasy. Give me a medal.
Really happy to get this medal and I want to get this again. Thank you, English Fantasy. I am very happy for our medal. Thank you.
তুমি পুরো মাসে প্রেজেন্ট ছিলাম এই কারণে মেডেল পেয়েছি আগামীতে আরো ভালো কিছু প্রত্যাশা করছি